Hello everyone. Today, Elle will introduce the communication process of Eenovance residential low-voltage battery Mana 16D and Growatt inverter. First, connect the power lines to the positive and negative terminals of the inverter. Before connecting the battery, make sure the air switch and power of Mana 16D are turned off. Next, we need to connect the battery to the plus terminal of the inverter and tighten the protective cap. Connect the battery to the terminal of the inverter and tighten the protective cap. Connect one end of the communication line to the BMS interface of the inverter and the other end to the CAN interface of the battery. After the communication line is connected, turn on the air switch and power switch, and short press the battery power button to start the battery. Turn on the inverter and wait for the inverter to self-check. After the self-check is completed, the battery voltage, SOC, current and other data can be seen on the inverter. Next, I will show you how to connect to Mana 16D inverters, in parallel. Then insert one end of the parallel cable into the link out of the master and the other end into the link in of the slave. Turn on the air switch and power switch of the master and slave simultaneously. Open the master battery, then all the slave will be start automatically and the blue breathing light flashes to indicate that the parallel connection is successful. Turn on the inverter and wait for the inverter to self-check. After the self-check is completed, the battery voltage, SOC, current and other data can be seen on the inverter. We can see the battery data on the master and slave. It corresponds to the data on the inverter. The above is the installation and commissioning process of Mana 16D and Growatt inverter.